Hi everyone, my name is Yemi Penn and I best describe myself as an engineer by profession, an entrepreneur by passion, and a transformation mindset coach by mission. That last part really is the work that I love and I breathe for. You know, not so long ago, I had my story featured in The Sun, The Mirror in the UK, and then it went literally viral across the world. I had people from Italy, Ghana, South Africa, definitely here in Australia, when it was also featured on australiannews.com. And I think the reason why I connected with so many people was because I was really open and honest about, I guess, parts of my life that made me feel like I was failing. You know, I've recently written my first book titled, Did You Get the Memo? Because I effing didn't. You know, the memo that tells you exactly how you're meant to live your life, regardless of the environment you grew up in, regardless of whether your family had the money to give you the life we're meant to live. You know, I'm really questioning this memo, this outline that somebody else has written for us, but not by us. And this is why I am truly excited to launch my first online course, which is about creating your own memo. Now, I want to make this clear. As a mindset coach, I'm not here trying to be your only champion. I will be one, but I want you to be your biggest champion. And therefore, in this online course, I guide you to you unlocking the potential I truly believe you have. Because I tried out every single tool, mechanism that I'm about to show you on my own life. And to say I am living life on my terms is an understatement, and I believe you can too. So what do you get in this course? Let me break it down for you. We have 4 modules. The first module is looking at your story. We all have a story, but you need to really understand why you are the way you are, why your life was the way it was. And then we want to see which parts of it are still serving you. Which parts of your story can you own and take further so that you can create a blueprint that was written for you by you? Now, the third module is the bit that excites me beyond belief, because we start to rebuild after you've actually decluttered, but we start to rebuild the memo that you can continuously tweak. But first, you have the grounding and the foundation to understand what it is you needed to change to get you where you need to go. And the last module is all about action. Action is the antidote to fear, because fear really is what cripples us from taking that seeming risk, from making a jump. And so for me, in order to get you where you deserve to be, you need to take action. So you will get this really clear roadmap on what success means for you, giving you really clear action steps on how to achieve it. Okay, now I want to say that the first 25 people that sign up for this course will get the discounted price, where you have the option of paying in full or doing on a payment plan. I want this to be available for people all over the world, as I get people contact me every day for guidance. This is it, and it's available to you. To go a step further, as a foundation member, you will be the first to know about my upcoming documentary, books I'm writing, and hopefully tours I will be doing over the year 2021. To give you just a little bit more of a push and a nudge, I will also be offering the first 25 to sign up using the link below or in my bio. I will be offering you a one-on-one hour free coaching with me, which I have to be honest with you is a big deal, because time is my biggest value. But this is the gift I want to give you for taking the action to get you from where you are to where you want to be. Okay, I'm looking forward to working with you and seeing you in the Facebook group, where you get to be with a tribe that is on the same mission as you are. Love and lights.